What's up, guys? I was just going to go over some settings just to give you a little bit more performance out of your PC. You may or may not be having issues, and maybe you're just looking for more frames if you're a frame chaser like myself. Let's get to settings. We'll go to gaming, game mode. Turn this on, and these are my preferences. You can do a little testing yourself. Maybe turn one on and another off, and kind of see how it affects your gameplay, your response time, things like that. And you know, play with it yourself, or you can trust my judgment. I've been on a PC for a long time, so everybody's got their preference though. We'll go back. We will turn Xbox game bar off. I found that any in-game overlays tend to affect response time. Sometimes they increase ping. It's just an application in the background that's just pulling a little bit more juice out of your CPU, your GPU, etc. So next, we'll go back to game mode real quick. And this is a little cool feature. Some people know about it, a lot of people don't. You can take your applications here. You'll notice I have high performance and power saving. So on things that I am not too worried about running, especially while I'm on the game, I'll put that into power saving mode. But all you'll have to do for your games is click it, options, high performance. You can do let Windows decide high performance. I don't trust Windows that much. I'm going to go ahead and put it on high performance and trust my GPU to do the job. Now we'll run over to the control panel, and there's keys you can press for that. I'm a typer. Control panel, hardware and sound, and then we'll choose a power plan. Choose a power plan. So a lot of people know about this setting, but not everybody does. But I bet even those people that do know about this setting, a lot of them haven't realized that they added a game turbo high performance setting in this option. So that's pretty cool, and I did notice some increased performance. Sometimes I'll run benchmarks. It really ain't that deep. I mean, I got a really good computer. And I'll get into it later on, maybe on another video, like my NVIDIA control panel, for example. I put everything on low settings to really get the most frames out of it. But with the 4090 and a 13900K and 7200 megahertz of RAM, I really don't have to bring everything down to that point anymore. I can run 1440, pretty high quality settings on a lot of things, and still get 200 plus frames. So that's pretty cool, but awesome feature right here. Last thing, to get a little bit more squeeze out of your computer, go to startup apps. This is a big one. So many people have 10 15 things coming up, and sometimes you don't even realize they're coming up, but let's look into Cortana. That's that little voice in your computer that talks to you. But I mean, how many people are actually using Cortana? I don't personally. Or we type. um, a lot of things. Your internet browsers, they'll pop up on you. Xbox app, game services. I'm on a PC, I don't need an Xbox app. Stream Deck. Well, these are my things, But anyways, go through this list of items and turn them all off. You don't have to. If there's something that you're gonna use, as soon as you turn your computer on, then go ahead and keep it on. But to me, it's like when you wake up in the morning, you don't want to go right into go mode. You're gonna want to get up for a minute and wake up. So it's kind of the same concept in my mind. Let the computer load up, let it do its thing, and then you can start opening the things you want. You start kicking these things on while it's doing that, and you'll start to notice a lag. But that is it for this video. I'm kind of keeping it short and sweet. I have a lot more tutorial videos coming up. If there's anything you're interested in, please let me know. I'd love to help. Thank you.